Hi guys, good morning everyone. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. My name is Sophia Perry. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. In this YouTube channel, I will be teaching you guys a lot more. Example like how to make chinchin, how to braid your hair yourself. Like you guys can see this hair, I braid it myself. Next time when I will be doing it, I'm going to do a video of it so that you guys can learn how to braid your hair yourself. I'll be teaching you guys how to make ogbono soup, melon soup, stew, and how to bake egg roll, guys. Trust me, this soup is gonna be bomb. It's gonna be master. It's gonna be fun to be here. Okay, but today I'll be teaching you guys how to make chinchin. These are the ingredients for it. This is ground honey. This is my butter omega. This is my flour, my egg, and my sugar. Guys, stay tuned. I'll be doing a video of it, how I make it. Stay tuned, please, 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 please. I'm still your loyal girl. It's Sophia Perry. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you all. Stay tuned. One love. I see this is my flour. I need to put it in a bowl. Before I start, pardon me, I need to wash my hands. Okay. Just a little, it's for me and my family. So I need to put my sugar, this 3 tablespoons of sugar, but I'll put it so. I need to steam it. I put more. So I put it first. So I need to steam it. Like this. You can use your hand, but sometimes I like using my spoon or my hand, but I'll still use my hand later. So I need to use the spoon first. You can see it. So I'll put the remaining one. Steam it. You can see it. I need to put little sugar. Stay tuned, guys. See, I'm steaming it with my spoon. It's almost same. If you use your hand or your spoon, but I prefer using the spoon always. The sugar is okay. So this is my butter. I need to steam it a little bit. Guys, you see? So I steam it very well. You can see. I will use my hands. So when you see your, if you have mixed all of them, you see it's too stuff, you can put a little flour. So it should be strong. You can see it. it, guys. This place I'll be using a coconut. You can see. Okay, let's get started, guys. See, I'm cutting it. See, I'm still cutting it. When I'm done with it, I will post you guys. Guys, welcome back. You can see my chinchin right now, done and dusted. You can see it.